geeks, welcome to my YouTube channel A-Tech Learning, where the magic of data come to life. I am Aruna and I get into the world of data science. If you are here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things about data science. Today, data science is everywhere and it's trending job of 2024. So why wait? Let's understand what data science is and begin our journey towards it. Imagine you are on a treasure hunt. You have a map with some clues, but it is not straightforward. You need to analyze the clues, observe your surroundings, and make educated guesses to find the treasure. That is what the data science is like. You have a bunch of information and you use tools and techniques to explore and understand the data. Eventually, you uncover valuable insights that can help you make better decisions or solve problems. It is like turning a bunch of puzzle pieces into a clear picture. Data science is a combination of two words, data and science. Data refers to information, and science involves the knowledge of the physical and natural world through observation, experimentation, and discovery. In the same context, data science is observing, experimenting, and discovering the insights from the given data. It's like uncovering hidden treasures within a sea of information. But it's not just about crunching numbers. It is a multidisciplinary field that combines elements of mathematics, statistics, computer science, and domain expertise to make sense of data. Take YouTube for example. With millions of videos uploaded every day, how does it manage to recommend the perfect content for you? Data science is used to improve YouTube search and discovery features. Algorithms analyze video metadata, user queries, and engage metrics to provide relevant search results and recommendations. This helps users discover new content and find what they are looking for more efficiently. Another example, YouTube uses data science to target ads to the users based on their interests, demographics, and online behavior. Machine learning algorithms analyze user data to deliver relevant and personalized ads, maximizing advertiser ROI and enhancing the user experience. And what about Instagram? Instagram boasts over 2.4 billion monthly active users, with the platform experiencing a surge of 100 million new users in the previous quarter alone. This remarkable growth is largely contributed to the tragic implementation of data science and underlying machine learning algorithms. In essence, data science is the backbone of these platforms, driving everything from content recommendation to targeted advertising. By harnessing the power of data, YouTube and Instagram are able to deliver a seamless user experience and keep us coming back for more. And there you have it, geeks. The magic of data science at work. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, happy data crunching.